Construction activity continues to move forward with clear signs of progress across the site. Multiple work fronts remain active simultaneously as structural adjustments, facade installation, and finishing tasks advance in parallel. Heavy machinery, elevated platforms, and cranes are still in operation, reflecting a coordinated effort to maintain momentum as the project steadily takes shape. Let's move forward and take a closer look at the latest updates across the site. Work in the South Goal area continues with visible progress across the facade structure. All main support brackets for the Lamas are now installed, including the previously missing upper section. Crews are fine-tuning alignment using elevated platforms and tension systems to ensure precise positioning. Diagonal and vertical supports are fully fixed to the pillars, leaving this section structurally ready for facade anchoring. At the corner section, facade Lamas installation is progressing, with multiple panels now installed and continuous activity across the area. A crane and several elevated platforms are actively supporting the process, while tension cables are used to maintain precise alignment. Due to the diagonal geometry of this corner, the Lamas are installed at a steeper angle compared to the lateral side, with another panel currently being lifted into position. On the lateral side, major structural changes are visible following the removal of the previously cut concrete wall. Large blocks have been cleared with cranes, creating a cleaner structural line. New frames are now in place, and localized concrete work continues, showing the area is moving from demolition towards structural refinement and preparation for the next phase. The Tribune zone shows constant logistical activity, with a significant stockpile of prefabricated seating units and staircases of various sizes. Interior works are advancing as insulation has been installed, and plasterboard is being reapplied in several sections. Safety railings are also being fitted along ramps and edges, signaling progress in both structural completion and interior finishing works. Facade Lamas installation on the lateral side is progressing in the lower false ceiling area, where several new panels have already been placed. The upper sections remain fully prepared, with all supports and brackets installed and ready for further installation. Cranes and elevated platforms are positioned on-site, indicating that facade work in this section is ongoing and expected to advance steadily in the coming days. The ramp area has now reached a completed structural phase. All formwork panels have been fully removed, revealing clean concrete walls on both sides of the ramp. The entire ramp surface has been concreted, and no additional structural work is currently visible. This confirms that the ramp is finished and ready for final detailing or future access use. In the North Goal area, all facade support structures and cross-bracing have been installed for some time and remain unchanged. Crews are currently adjusting and tightening components, indicating final preparation before anchor installation begins. Large quantities of prefabricated seating elements are staged nearby, confirming continued rapid growth of the third tier. Column formwork is also visible at mid-height levels, ready for upcoming concrete pours. In the diamond area, temporary elements have been removed and surface works are ongoing. Concrete zones have been leveled and painted, while workers are applying black paint to structural beams and hard-to-reach sections using rollers. Insulation materials remain staged for future installation. Overall, progress remains consistent, with key elements moving forward simultaneously across the site. Each update reflects a clear transition from heavy structural work toward installation and finishing phases, bringing the project closer to its next major milestone. If you're enjoying these detailed updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on every progress. Your support really helps and ensures you don't miss the next update.